Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have a 2003 Lexus ES300. We have a little bit of problem here. عندنا مشكلة بسيطة. شايفين check engine light come on ومعاه برضو ABS. يا جماعة ABS بيكون بس متأثر check engine light. The ABS only because the check engine light come on, it will drive the ABS on and put the car in lead mode. لكن before we go to do any repair قبل ما نعمل أي حاجة, let's diagnose the car. نمشي على diagnostic, نمشي على Asian car ونمشي على Lexus. We're gonna go to Lexus car. Where is the Lexus? If you don't see it, go here and write down LEXUS. بيجيك طوالي Lexus وبعد ذاك تختاره وتمشي على الانجن كمبيوتر وتشوف ماله. Then you go here and then go to ما عندنا الVIN number لأنه 2003. We don't have a VIN number for 2003, so we're just gonna go here and wait a little bit. ننتظر شوية. I feel like the car is missing. شاعر أنه العربية فيها missing. ES300 يهودة طبعا. North America 2003 2003. نقول له yes, نقول نعم. نجي على الدايجنوس كنترول يونت الانجن. الABS بيقول انا شعرت انه في مشكله. The ABS we just say that I see something on the engine computer side. trouble code, نقول على trouble code. evaporative emission evap emission في leak pending current history. يعني عندنا كود له علاقه بالevap system. طيب the first thing we have to do is to look at the gas tank. أول حاجة نسويها نشوف الغاز تانك هل فيها مشكلة ولا ما فيها مشكلة. يمكن ما قفلها كويس. Maybe they didn't close the gas tank good. نجي هنا نشوف شفتها مفتوحة الغاز تانك because the gas tank was open. المفروض يكون مقفول ويكون كده. لما تيجي تفتحه اوكي شفتها كده. طيب دقيقة.
It's a new one. I just put it on.
When you put it on?
I put it on. Don't you see the one I
No,
bought?
this is no good.
Huh?
It's no good.
It's
very
good.
loose. No, it's no good. That's the problem now. You see, like.
I just bought that for $18.
Yeah, it's no good. Get the original one.
That's the original is right here.
Yeah, this is no good.
He told me that's the problem.
Yeah, I don't. No, this is not the good one. Get something good. I don't trust this one because it's loose. You don't feel even no pressure. يعني شايفين؟ Okay, أنا عملت كده صح؟ شايف؟ No.
See? That's the original one.
I don't know this one here,
This
but
is,
look
see?
here.
That's
Yeah.
the original.
This one here maybe شايفين يا جماعة؟ والله برضو almost the same.
He told me it's not good.
No, hold on. I don't know.
That's
Okay.
why I changed it. This told me it's not. It can't lock up.
It's good. It look like it's okay. But when you put it, did you clear the code?
Huh?
Since you put it, did you clear the code?
Clear what?
Did you clear the code?
The cord?
Code. Did
The
you clear
code?
the check engine light?
Yeah, I checked my light. It's
No,
still the
did you?
same.
No, after you put it, they did delete it or no?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna delete it now. طيب هم بعد ما عملوه ما حولوا عملوا أي clear. خلاص هنا نعمل erase. دي قراءة. We're gonna read it, but we're gonna clear it. And then we see if it is coming back. Okay, this is for the leak. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna erase it. Off. عملنا كل الكود. Everything gone. شايفين؟ أي حاجة راح. Everything gone. But we're gonna let this car start. After you change it, did you try to reset it? Mom,
What you mean
after you put the piece, did you try to clear it like this or you never clear it? After you change the tank?
No, after
After you change it, did you delete everything like this, like what you see here?
No.
Okay, now I delete everything. Now you're gonna go. If you come back again, that means that there is another leak somewhere that you have to use something called a smoke test.
I think
Right now it's gone. Unless if somebody clear it and you come back again, That means another problem in the car have to be checked.
I'm telling you,
They are very strong car.
huh?
I like this car.
I like it too. I love this
Okay,
car. That's
hold
why I
on.
protect it. Because I love
Lexus. Wow. Look at
Look,
it.
you see, there is something in here when
You see here? This is the Evapur. If in case there is something, they're gonna do something like a smoke test. We don't need no leaks. You see this hose here, the air from the gas tank, and I see like this here. You see this?
yes, that is it.
This is no good.
That's it. That's exactly what happened. I want that thing fixed because every time when I press the thing, it's just like a leak.
But this is no good.
There you go.
See?
That's my problem. Okay?
So why not fix this one, correct? This have to get. Who fixed this one for you?
My friend.
Okay, go to him. Let him get you another one. This
No,
one.
no. I want
This
you
piece.
to fix it for me.
I don't have this one now. It's 5 o'clock.
What you mean 5 o'clock?
5 o'clock. We cannot get this one now.
So what you mean you can't get it?
You have to get it early. It's
Eh?
auto part close.
No.
Okay. Okay. That's the best. Hold this camera for me.
Okay.
This side. People have to check it good. Hold here like this.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna come here. Push this. 1, 2, 3. I cannot make more than this.
Try to measure it the same way. I
I'm
don't
gonna
want to
cut
tell
it.
you the
I'm
same
gonna cut it. Hold on.
Huh?
Hold on. I'm gonna cut this to make it shorter.
Exactly.
So you cannot go up. Push this one like this.
Measure it.
Yeah, mesurez-les comme ça.
Exactly.
Ma vini konya la mapta mwe.
Okay.
Okay,
Measure.
stay here. Okay.
That's better. See?
Yes. Now start the car.
See, I got
Enjoy
experience.
driving. You good? Do you change the cabin filter?
Huh?
You change the cabin filter in this car?
Hold on. Say it again.
Oh, not here. Not here.
Hold on.
Not here. Not here. Not here. Leave this one. Leave this one. Good. Hold on. I want to see if you change the cabin filter. Est-ce que vous changez cabin filter là? We're gonna check something here. I don't know if you change. You see here, there is a filter, cabin filter. You change it?
Take it out. Take this out.
Okay, hold this. Hold my camera. Don't
So
go.
I put my hands good?
It's okay. You're good. You are professional. Okay. You always best of the best professional. Okay, let me take this one.
Take off everything first. Put it on the floor.
Hold
Then-
on. This thing here.
Yes.
Okay, let me put this one here.
There you go.
Okay, hold on just 1 minute.
There you go.
Okay.
I got some junk I don't need to. I got to put
Don't worry
away.
about it. I'm gonna check this one. Turn this one here. Take this one.
What is that?
This is the lock for
Huh?
the door.
Oh, the lock for the door?
For this one to come out. This is this. In order for it to come out, you have to turn it like
Give me
this.
the pins.
Okay. Are you doing the video or you just look at your?
I look at everything.
No, you don't look. Okay, you see here? You see under there?